it is. Hello friends, my name is Brooke. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Since you're here, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do a ton of fashion content, lifestyle content, you name it. So go ahead and hit subscribe so you won't miss anything. I drop videos about every weekend. Today, we are going to be doing a fashion review. We are going to be doing specifically a shoe review. You know I love my shoes. Let's just jump right into it. Today, I am going to be reviewing the Tory Burch Good Luck Trainer sneaker. This is a great shoe. I've had my eye on it for a while. Price, it is $278. However, I did get it on a Black Friday. I got a pretty good discount, so always be on the lookout for Tory Burch's Black Friday. Let me go ahead and pull it out and I will continue talking about it. Also, side note, these shoes are not fresh out of the box. I have been wearing these shoes for months now. It took me a while to do the review, but yes, I've had some time with them. I've had some time to wear them and break them in and give you my honest opinion on how these shoes are. So here it is. This is the shoe. It has the Tory Burch sign. It has suede leather and of course nylon, the lace up. This is a size 10. I'm about a size 10 in sneakers and then 9.5 in like sandals. This is what the bottom looks like. It is a well-made shoe. It has leather. It is leather and textile upper lining, and it does have some nylon. And like I said, it has some suede leather. Some nice stitching. I kind of wear this for a lifestyle shoe when I'm going out, when I look cute or like sporty, athleisure. I will say the comfort of this shoe, rating from a 1 to 5, 5 being the most comfortable, I will give it a 4 out of 5. So yes, it is very comfortable, and to me, it is more comfortable than most of the designer shoes. I know a lot of designer shoes like Louis Vuitton, they're not that comfortable. These are very comfortable. Now, I wouldn't choose this shoe for a running shoe. I don't know who would do that. So this is more like a lifestyle comfort, everyday shoe. Overall, I really love this shoe. I think it was a great purchase. I needed something to go with all of my athleisure. I pretty much wear like all athleisure during the summertime because it gets so hot. But this shoe, I really like it. I'm very pleased with this purchase. Tory Burch has a ton of great sneakers, so I think their sneakers are worth trying out. I will link the sneaker in my LTK so you can try it out. I was looking for a brown, tan, white shoe, and this is like the perfect neutral shoe I have a ton of neutral clothes, but I am very pleased with this shoe. I will give you a close-up. I think I covered all the basics, the price, comfort. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you have this shoe or if you like any other Tory Burch shoes. Subscribe to my channel for more fashion content, and I will see you guys later.